Hi, Maria. Have you ever thought about your dream job?
Hi, Leonardo. Yes, I think about it a lot. What about you?
I want to be a pilot. I love flying planes.
Wow, a pilot? That's amazing.
Yes, I like traveling to different countries.
Sounds fun. I like helping people too.
What's your dream job then?
I want to be a teacher. I love teaching kids.
Teaching? That's great. You can help many people.
Yes, I want kids to enjoy learning English.
That's important. Learning is fun with a good teacher.
Exactly. And you? Flying planes sounds scary sometimes.
A little, but I love it more than I fear.
That's brave. Do you want to fly big jets or small planes?
Big jets. I want to travel the world.
Amazing! I like traveling too, but my dream is helping students.
That's wonderful. Teachers make a big difference.
Yes, I hope one day I teach many students.
That's a great goal. Do you want to teach online or in a school?
Both. Online helps more students. School is fun too.
Cool. I also want a cool uniform like pilots wear.
I want a chalk and whiteboard, simple but useful.
What about being president? That's another dream.
Wow, being president? That's big.
Yes, I want to speak to people and make laws.
That's important. Helping citizens is great.
But it's hard work, lots of stress.
I know. Teachers have stress too. Exams and homework.
True, every job has challenges.
But also happiness. Seeing kids learn is joyful.
Yes, flying and helping are both exciting.
Dreams make life interesting.
I hope my dream comes true soon.
Me too. Keep working hard.
What's the first step to be a pilot?
Training school. Learn about planes and flying.
I want to start this year.
Great. And I want to find a teaching course.
Learning never stops.
True. Practice makes perfect.
Imagine flying above mountains and oceans.
I imagine my students reading happily.
Your dream is meaningful.
And yours too. Traveling is amazing.
What if we achieve both dreams?
That would be perfect. Happiness everywhere.
Let's support each other.
Yes, sharing dreams is motivating.
I feel happy talking about dreams.
Me too. Let's never give up.
Next, I want to see a real jet.
I want to visit a school for teachers.
It's a small step toward our dreams.
Every small step counts.
I will study maps and navigation today.
I will prepare a lesson plan for tomorrow.
Dreams need action, not just wishes.
Let's take action every day.
I hope one day we inspire others.
Yes, dream big and stay kind.
Our dreams make life exciting.
Let's never stop dreaming.
One day I will fly a jet across the ocean.
and I will teach children in many countries.
Dreams are the start of everything. Goodbye, Maria.
Goodbye, Leonardo. Keep dreaming.